Hey YouTubers, today we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on my wife's Honda Odyssey. I went over to Walmart and I bought these nice Rain-X Beam windshield wipers. These are a lot better than the old style. When you go into Walmart, there's going to be a cross-reference book that you can look at to see your make and model, and it will tell you what exact windshield wipers you need to purchase for your vehicle. In our case, we've got two different sizes. This is a 26 and a 22 inch over there. So let's get started. Okay, let's remove the old windshield wipers. This is a J-hook windshield wiper. So for this particular one, there's a little tab here that you're going to need to press down as you pull up, or excuse me, as you push down on the old windshield wiper. Once you do that, you can remove it completely. Okay, here we have the old wiper and the new beam wiper. I like the new beam wipers a lot better. They put more constant pressure all the way along the length of the windshield wiper. This is kind of the old style. These don't work quite as well. These are a lot better. Pop the plate and reinstall it onto your J-hook. Alright, you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.